Hi, I'm attorney Joe Moses from the law office of Kass and Moses. We are a personal injury law firm that's represented people injured in motorcycle crashes over the last 30 years. We're located outside of Chicago and have represented riders in all 50 states. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how I got into the law and how I began representing injured people. When I was in ninth grade, I played on the baseball team. I grew up in Michigan, and it was in spring and it was quite cold. One day we were getting to practice indoors in the gym. My friend and I were playing catch. Well, unfortunately, one time I threw a little bit too far, went over his head. It went right towards the girls' locker room door. And unfortunately, a classmate of mine who was on the girls' softball team was coming out, opened the door, she got hit in the nose, fell back in. I found myself in my first lawsuit. I was called in for a deposition. My dad came with me. We sat before a table full of lawyers and court reporters, and they asked me everything I just described. In the end, I lost. My dad was proud of me, though, and I eventually became a lawyer. That was in 1991 when I became a lawyer. Fast forward to 2006. From 2006 to 2017, I developed 3 separate cancers. I had to undergo 3 different surgeries and radiation. Additionally, my wife developed breast cancer, and my mother and father developed significant cancers as well. My father passed away in 2016. There's one thing in our family, kind of an unwritten rule, and that unwritten rule is that nobody ever stays in the hospital by themselves. Not one time during all those illnesses and all those treatments did someone in my family stay the night alone in the hospital. In 30 years of practice, I apply the same no one gets left behind sentiment to the cases that I handle. I bring a sense of care and understanding to all of my clients. Additionally, just like my 9th grade baseball incident, I understand mistakes happen in a million different ways. If I can help you, please give me a call. Call me at 1-800-MOTORCYCLE.